What's up, everybody? It's Meech. Welcome back to On the Radar. And currently on the radar today is Vintage Brawn. Can we get that focus? Focus. Vintage Brawn by Old School Labs is their very first protein. I'm very excited to try this out. Now, what is so special about this? First of all, it is a combination of egg protein, milk protein, and beef protein. And it's wicked chocolate, 100% natural. Zero sugars, zero fillers, no nonsense. This is gonna be some good stuff. Now, I'm very, like I said, I'm anxious to try it. It's 24 grams of protein, non-GMO, gluten-free, no artificial colors. Yeah. And I'm just now, maybe recently, I'm just now back on protein. For you guys who don't know, or for you guys that do know, I went almost a year without eating meat. And I'm back to eating meat. A little bit here and there, not fully, but I'm back to eating meat. So, you know, basically, if you're not eating meat, you shouldn't be eating protein that has eggs and all this stuff. But it's cool now. But let's get into it. I want to try this out, and then we'll see what's up. Let's do the taste test, the live opening, all that good stuff. Anything else that I'm missing? 30 servings. Obviously, 1 scoop. I'm going to try 1 scoop first in 8 ounces of water. Then I'm going to do 2 scoops because generally most of us 2 scoop our protein. There's not much else to say. Like I said, it's all natural, all good stuff. Let's get into it. So definitely it's packaged very well, as you can see. It has the seal, because everybody always wants to know it's stuff sealed. It has the inner seal also. That's definitely good. So, I haven't done a protein review in a very, very long time. And I'm anxious to see what's up with this now. You know, everybody always wants to know. This is what it looks in case. And yes, the scoop is right on top. It's right there. This is the scoop size. So let's see what's up. I got my Old School Lab shaker. So let's get into this and see what it is. So everybody always wants to know, obviously, the taste and the mixability. That's always the 2 biggest things. Does it mix well? And of course, how does it taste? Where's my top? So, and this is right on time because I'm just about ready to go to the gym. So, right on time. I haven't even drank protein in, wow, I haven't drank protein in well over a year. Because when I normally do use my protein, I always tell you guys I put it in my smoothies, I put it in my oatmeal. I don't just drink protein anymore. So besides tasting this, I'm gonna actually see how it tastes in my other ways that I make my protein. And I'll inform you guys how that goes. But let's go in. Let's get right to it. First and foremost, let me open it. It looks like it mixed very well. Let me open it to be 100% sure. It smells good. It smells chocolatey. It looks mixed from what I can see. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll B-roll it. Let's see what's up. Let's go in. Definitely tastes creamy. It tastes like chocolate. A little bit of foam on top. It's not bad. It tastes good. I expected it to be a little bit sweeter, and it's not. And that's actually a good thing, because a lot of proteins, I guess they try to mask, you know, the natural flavors and stuff. Especially when you have something natural, they usually taste horrible, or they're super sweet to mask the, you know, the flavor. This tastes good. I don't taste any. It's not overpowering. Like, it's subtle, but it's good. I don't taste any aftertaste. That's another big thing. I can drink this. I can actually drink this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it real. I was a little iffy. Just because, you know, me and protein doesn't usually go well with drinking it, but I really like this, seriously. Yeah, it tastes, it's smooth to go down. Like I said, it's not overly sweet, and which is good. And a lot of natural proteins, they have this earthy, nasty taste. This just tastes smooth and it tastes good. It's subtle. It's not overbearing. This is fitness radar. I said fitness radar. This is definitely radar approved. I rock with this. All right, so Old School Labs did it again, as far as I'm concerned. They've never let me down with any of their products, and this one is definitely, this is a go. This is definitely a go. I like this. I'm going to, and you can tell because I keep drinking it. If it wasn't good, I just sat it down, just like, yeah, it's okay. I don't know. No, I'm almost finished. So, yeah, I like this. I'm very, very happy about this. I feel like I can actually drink protein again. So, like I said, I'm gonna try it in my smoothie. I'm gonna make a smoothie tomorrow, and I'm also gonna try it in my oatmeal probably tomorrow or later today. So I will give you guys an update I'm gonna give you guys an update on that, definitely. But definitely radar approved. Link in the description. 15% if you use the promo code. Everything's in the description. Promo code radar OSL. This is official, people. Definitely official. I like this. So I realized just now, once I cut the camera off, that I didn't double scoop it. I said I was gonna try one scoop and then do another scoop. But what I thought about, I didn't need the other scoop. With a lot of proteins, I usually have to add the other scoop because it makes it taste better. So generally, you know, I add a little bit more water than 8 ounces. Maybe not always 16, maybe about halfway, and then I add the other scoop. That one scoop was good. I didn't have a problem with the flavor, so that is a big deal to me. I just thought, you know, I should let you guys know, like, that's a big deal. So just one scoop, 8 ounces was cool. Didn't have to add extra water. Didn't have to add an extra scoop. So that right there says a lot. So just wanted to throw that in there. So like I said, 30 servings, non-GMO. You have your egg, milk, and beef protein. So you have a whole mix and a whole balance of different proteins. 24 grams of protein, I did say that, and it is the Wicked chocolate flavor, no sugar, 130 calories per serving. This is good. I'll show you guys the nutritional facts and everything. I'm just trying to look. Yo, this is good. I'm not gonna lie, I was shocked. Cause not shocked, but a little bit iffy. Cause me and proteins. I'm gonna stop rambling. I don't know what else to say. It's official. Try it out. Good job, Old School Labs, with the protein. Vintage Brawn. Till next time, stay focused, stay fit. Please hit that like button. Show your support. And tune in next time to see what else pops up on the radar. Salute.